Hi everybody, welcome back to Lily's Life. Today we're going to be making some coconut macaroons, and later we're going to be doing a workout. We have some unsweetened coconut, we have some crushed up almonds, some chocolate, a teaspoon of vanilla, and some maple syrup poured into coconut oil, and we're going to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, and don't forget to put the oven to 100 or Celsius, and we're going to get to work, so let's get baking. So we have some unsweetened coconut, and we're going to pour this into the bowl, and we're going to mix that up with the crushed almonds. So we're going to mix that up, and then I'm going to pour that in. Now we're going to pour in the maple syrup and the oil, and we're going to pour that in. Now we're going to mix that all. And get that spread everywhere. We're going to get that all stick up. It's sticking to the spoon already. So we're going to stick that up. And keep mixing until it's super sticky, until it looks perfect. And then after this, we're going to melt the chocolate. Now we're going to make balls. So we're going to pull up our sleeves here, and then buzz the teaspoon here, and we're going to use this to pick them up and turn them to about that size. And we're going to put them on the tray here. So I already got this one ready. So very careful, they're very delicate. So we're going to make them into a ball. This one. So you want them to really look really small. Close one. have about 14 of these, and we're gonna put these in the oven. But first, before we do that, I'm gonna introduce my brothers to help me with putting them in the oven. So,
Hi.
So he needs to open the oven and then I'll put them in there. So I'm gonna grab these and then look at them. So my dad's gonna hold the camera and then we are gonna put them in the oven. But first, that one already rolled, so put that here. So up the top.
Needs to go in sideways a little bit.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So we're gonna leave that in for about 10 minutes. I got some boiling water in here, and I got some chocolate here, dark chocolate, and I'm gonna break this up and then put it into the boiling water, and that's gonna melt. We're gonna mix that up with the spoon. You already watched the spoon. So, break this up. I think we're gonna do time lapse maybe. So,
No. The whole bowl goes in.
this bowl, like quarter. Now I broke some red chocolate, and now I'm gonna put like that into the bowl, and I'm gonna put this bowl in there, and then we're gonna mix it up. So I'm gonna leave that there, and it's stopped raining, so we're gonna go out there and do a workout. So we're gonna leave that there, and so we're gonna leave that there, and we're gonna go out, take the camera with us, and go to the gym. So they've been in the oven for about 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna turn them around and put them in for another 10 minutes. So I got a little help taking them out of the oven. A few of them have broke, but they still smell delicious. So they're a bit hot, so I'm gonna leave them to cool down, and then we'll put them in the chocolate. So the chocolate's already melted, so we're gonna wait until the macaroons are ready, and then we're gonna drizzle it on. So they cool down, they're on the tray, the chocolate's melted and ready to drizzle. Now it's time for the most delicious part. We get to lick the spoon. Take the bowl, put it down, do these, Thanks to the Happy Pear, it was easy to make healthy and delicious macaroons. So I'm gonna say thank you for them for giving me the recipe, otherwise I wouldn't have found a recipe. I would just do like another recipe that I made up. But a Happy Pear actually made it easier to find the recipe quicker. So I just wanted to say thank you for them. Well, it started as a bad day, but now it's turned into a beautiful day. Now I'm on the bike ride with my family, and it's actually really hot today. I have to pull up everything I wear. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the video. I'm sorry we couldn't do the whole thing, but well, we could do it now. And we're gonna keep cycling.